Hello, my
Hi,
name is
myself
Urvi Chalke and I
Rishirvani.
was
I
a
have
data analyst
completed my
intern at Unified
internship with
Mentor.
Unified Mentor as
During
a
my
full
internship
stack
as a
web
data
development
analyst,
intern.
I
It was a
worked on
great
4
learning
hands-on
experience.
projects.
I got to work on the
I
projects
developed
like
a machine learning
weather
model for
app,
iris
which uses API
classification,
integration, or student-teacher
created
booking
interactive
appointments,
Tableau
which also
dashboards
uses
like
Firebase and
an
Cloud
HR
Firestore.
dashboard and a
I
top
had
Instagram influencer
such a great
dashboard,
time working on this project,
and
which
analyzed a
makes
YouTube
my knowledge
channel
or my
performance
theoretical knowledge
to
worked into the
uncover
practical ones.
engagement
It improved my
insights.
skills in HTML, CSS,
This
JavaScript, and
internship helped
also
me
I happen to learn
learn
new skills
how to
like
clean,
React, Node,
analyze, and visualize
and
data to
Firebase as well.
support real world decision
I
making.
had such a great time.
Overall,
Overall, the mentors
it
in
was a
Unified
great
Mentor are so
learning
supportive.
experience
Any doubts
which
can be
helped me
solved
improve
if I
my
message them
technical
or call
skills
them in
and
any time,
confidence
which
in
was a
data
great thing which
analytics.
makes every task
I would like to
easier.
sincerely thank
Thank
Unified
you,
Mentor for
Unified
providing me
Mentor,
with
for
this
giving
internship
me this
opportunity
opportunity, and I'll recommend to
and
all
for
the
guiding
students to
me
gain the work
throughout this learning
experience
journey.
and the real life experience through this. Thank you.